Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be digging into my new makeup drawer, which a lot of that stuff is stuff that we unboxed in the PR unboxings. So first of all, let's go dig in the drawer. So what this drawer is where I put all the new makeup that has recently launched, and I want to try it out. I don't put it into all this because it kind of gets lost. You know, I forget about it. So I keep it in this designated area where I can come and pick out all new products. And since this is what today's video is about, I figured I would take you with me. I have gotten so many requests on these two palettes to test out. This is Jacqueline's new palette with Morphe. How did her oldie get in there? Oh my gosh. So I definitely gotta try these out. Look at her, she's messy. Let's put her away. Okay, now, another product you guys have been really wanting me to try out is this new Hourglass concealer, which I've been wanting to try out, so I'm gonna grab that. I think I'm gonna do a designated drugstore video because we have tons of new drugstores, so I'm gonna save that because we need a new designated drugstore moment. I wanna try out this Buxom mascara. Oh, yes, oh my God. See, that's how I remember the new Bite foundation and primers. A little bit of face powder from them. Might as well try that too. Okay, I've already tried these and I freaking love them. So I'm gonna add them in today's video. This one's really pink peony. Oh, these are great. Why is Nudie in here? This is cool too. The new glosses from ColourPop. Maybe we'll give them a go. This is another primer I want to try. The new Glam Glow primer. Hi, there's me. We'll try that. All right, now we have our products. Let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. All right, getting started. I'm pretty pumped about every single product that we picked. I have like so many I want to try. Like I have 3 primers here. I am that level dramatic today. So I have the Changemaker Skin Optimizing Primer. This is for normal to dry skin, which is me. And then this was normal to oily skin, which is the, oh, it just says normal to oily skin. Well, all right then. And then I have the Glam Glow Super Mattify. So this is like their super mud, but it's super mattify in a primer base. I'm gonna try the normal to dry skin on this half of my face and then the Glam Glow one on this half of my face over here to see if we can tell a difference. This one smells just like the Glam Glow Super Mud Mask. Okay, now that that is applied, let's move on to the Bite Beauty Changemaker Skin Optimizing Primer from normal to dry skin. Ooh, she's still sealed. Kind of just looks like a white moisturizer. So we are just going to add her on. Imagine I put them both on the same side of my face and then my other half of my face. That's something I would do. That's why I'm laughing right now. Like I know I would do that. Like I would put both primers on one side of my face and leave one side with no primer and just completely screw it all up. But I don't think I did that. So let's move on to foundation, which I'm really pumped about because I've heard so many, actually I've kind of heard mixed reviews on this foundation, I guess, but this is the Changemaker Supercharged Micellar Foundation. I have 3 shades in it. I don't know what shade I am yet, but I'm really excited to try it out. Okay, I just tried some of the foundation on my face. I looked it up at Sephora. It's $39.50 and it says it's a long-wearing foundation with a gentle micellar technology that mimics the skin's texture so you get a flawless finish. Well, alrighty then. It's got like almost 5 stars out of almost 1,000 reviews. It's got like really good reviews on it. Okay, I'm gonna break out the shade M70 and my M6 brush from Morphe. Here we go. Oh, she's a little stiff. There we go. All right, so we're gonna start buffing this in. I feel like it's like almost light coverage though. Did it say it was full coverage? No, it didn't say that it was full coverage. It says it's a medium coverage. Okay, I agree with that. You know, it's like a lighter medium coverage, but just because I'm saying like all my zhuzh up in there. So it's on the lighter side of coverage, but I don't mind that. I've really been enjoying a lighter coverage foundation lately. I'm pretty sure I just used a little too much. It seems to be gliding on the skin truly like butter. Like I feel like I'm buttering toast. It feels very wet and very dewy right off the bat. Like it feels a little heavy. However, I did just put a lot of it on. So I mean, that could have something to do with it. But also foundations, sometimes they chill, you know, they calm down eventually. So let's just see how it plays out. All right, so the next product I have to test out for you guys is the Hourglass, the new concealer from them. I have Oat Fawn and Pearl. Pearl, clutch my pearl. Just had to do it. I'm gonna give Oat a go. I also like the little doe foot on this. If you can tell, it's kind of like a wider doe foot. So, ooh. My God, I think I used too much. Oh my God. Holy coverage. In case you're wondering, I've been using the new WHYYYYY one like every single day. I'm like, all right, let's get our blending fingers out, honey. This is a lot. Okay, I've got my face concealed. I'm actually gonna use this Artiste brush today because, oh my God, a little goes a long way and I didn't know. I did not know how full coverage this was. Oh my God. What are we gonna do? I'm about to be blending this down to my elbows, y'all. That's okay. It has super high coverage I wasn't ready for. We're gonna have to break out Tati Sponge, the Blendiful. Wow, the Blendiful's doing a great job blending it. This is exactly what I needed. Okay, I gotta say, I'll definitely be using this concealer again. It is incredibly high coverage. I actually like this color a lot. It's a little yellowy, it's oat, but it worked really well for me. It did work well with the Blendiful, just FYI. The brush, I just put on honestly too much for a brush to handle. The brush was drowning in the product. So what we're gonna do now is, I'm like, what do I want to do? Oh, the only new thing I don't have to try out is a bronzer. So what we're gonna do is just use my favorite bronzer. And that is this one, my ColourPop. I keep it right here in my drawer because I use it every day. It's called Talk to the Palm. I also love Coconut Beach. They're actually kind of similar, but I love these so much. And yeah, they're great. They're great. But before that, I'm gonna take a powder brush and I'm gonna go ahead, since we're not gonna add any more cream to the face, I'm gonna go ahead and start setting and forgetting. And if you're curious, I'm using a Morphe M581 brush to do this with. Even gonna set the eyelids. I do like the way the foundation looks. It actually kind of like melted down into my skin and it didn't really sit on top of my skin how I thought it was gonna do. So I'm loving that. Now we're gonna go into that bronzer I talk so highly of. My mirror is literally so dirty. Like, I should be ashamed. It's like next level. It has so much hairspray and like setting spray on it. But anyways, I'm just taking this brush. If you're wondering what this is, it's a brush within a brush within a brush from Ciate. And I gotta be honest, I love this brush right here for bronzers. It's like perfect. I'm gonna add a little more powder up here because we got a little bronzy, we got a little crazy. I'm so excited to talk about blush, baby. Actually, I want to add a little bit of this powder too. This is the Change Making powder. So they have a primer, foundation, and powder that came out, and I want to try this out. I'm gonna try out medium 2. So this is a foundation powder. I think you could probably get way more coverage. Oh yeah. Ooh, this powder is a little bit warm, but it's very silky. Ooh, this is gonna be a great touch-up powder too. Oh my God, I'm looking like, ooh, I just got a suntan. I might do like a shade lighter in the powder though. Okay guys, so I'm so excited to talk about blushes. I've been loving the new KVD Vegan Beauty blushes. This one is called Peony. It's a really beautiful pink. These are, oh, both of these are peony. Dang, I must really love peony. I was like, these are my 2 favorite colors. Oh, I haven't used this one yet. So this is my one that I use. I'm so confused. I had no idea I had 2 of these. Wow. Anyways, there's a bunch of different shades in these, but Peony, actually the pinky one, has like been one of my favorites. They also have a mauve one I can't remember the name of, but oh, what's the name of? I love it so much. But anyways, I'm going to just take this angled brush and we're gonna stamp our cheeks with a little bit of a flush. Do you guys see how pigmented this blush is? Woo! No joke. Moving right along, I'm gonna go ahead and dust away the excess powder. And then I'm going to highlight my face. For highlighter today, I'm gonna be using my very own Glaze palette, and I'm gonna be using Glow Gal and Diamonds. Because I really want to be glowing today. Ooh. Okay, I hope you guys are pretty pumped because we are gonna be trying out now the All Nighter Ultra Matte. This one's supposed to be like extremely matte. I've heard also mixed reviews on this, so. Oh, it's a white. That terrifies me. If that is on my face right now, I will cry. Oh, it feels, guys. Like my hand is, oh my God, I'm so, like I don't want to do this. I'm so nervous. Okay. Is this supposed to happen? Like, this just like exploded on my face and now I have white dots. So I don't know. Is it supposed to happen that way? Oh, it's like milk. It looks like straight up milk in there, honey. Put a straw in it. A rubber straw, not a plastic straw. Okay, now for eyebrows. I have found a new product that I have just been madly in love with, and it is the Brow Flick from Glossier, and it is just like a little brow pen. It looks like this. I use the shade brown. Like I said, literally just like a little brow pen. I just flicker upward to create faux-like hairs, and it gives me like these really natural, fluffy looking brows. I guess you would say natural. Okay, once I do that, I actually still comb through them to soften the little strokes up a little bit. And then I take a little concealer. Today I'm going to be using the Hourglass new concealer that we're testing out. And I'm going to take this little flat brush. This was in the Morphe holiday set. And I'm just going to clean up the bottom of the brow. Okie dokie, I just added a few more strokes and now I'm going to set it with some of my brow gel. This one is by Milk. I have a lot of brow gels that I'm liking right now. Actually, I have like 3 or 4 of them that I'm like really into. So this is just one of the many. I'm gonna do this brow and I'll be right back. For eyeshadow palette, I have 2 palettes to try out. I have this very warm tone volume 2 palette from Morphe x Jacqueline, and then I also have the 35 eye palette, which you've heard again. Take a shot every time I say mixed reviews, but I've seen like some people in my comments saying it's not worth it, and some people saying they love it. So here it is. It's a very pretty springtime pastel-y palette. I've also been into pastels like a lot. So I have an extreme amount of color to work with today. Oh, also you guys can use code LauraLee at morphebrushes.com and in store. So what do I want to do? The thing is, I feel like my shirt doesn't match the colors that I have to work with today, so I might have to change shirts. I think I'm going to recreate the eye look I did the other day because I like used these 2 palettes to do it. It is a little bit colorful, but I think you guys will really like it. I start off with No Joke, and I really focus it. This is an R39 brush, but I really focus it right there in the crease, and I press it in, and then I do like some small circular motions. Alrighty guys, once I got this color pretty much blended out, this color did blend really easily. I'm like, what did I do next? I'm gonna actually go in with a little bit of G Money with the same brush. Oops, sorry guys, it's right here. Right there, that color. Then I'm going to add that right into that crease right there. Kind of looks like a little honey pot. Next, I'm going to use this yellowy pastel shade right here. And I literally just softened up the edges a little bit with it. And yeah, I just added it right onto. I need to get my brows waxed, I know. Okay, but I just softened the edges with it. I'm just adding a little bit more of the brown shade, a little closer to the lash line. And your look should look something like this. And then I took this pastel yellow right here. I'll swatch it for you guys. It's just like almost like a white yellow shade, and I add that to the eyelid. I did actually dampen the color, so I'm using just a little bit of the setting spray. And then I pack it right onto my eyelid. Kind of like a soft cut crease. Going back into G Money, which was our brown shade, I'm going to soften up right there where they meet in the middle. I'm going to grab a little bit of No Joke, which is the yellow as well. Alrighty, now that we have our eye look pretty gradient in the middle, I'm going to line with some House Labs, but I'm going to use a brown liner. I think that liner gives this look just kind of like a pretty gradient feel, kind of. I don't know. It kind of looks like a warm autumn day. All right, so now I'm gonna curl my lashes. Our next new product is this Buxom mascara. I've tried it out. So this technically isn't a first impressions, but I couldn't wait. I had heard so many good things. So I did try it out, but I'm going to show you guys. I've really been enjoying it. Here's the wand. It's really bristly, so you can make a mess out of it if you're not careful with it. But, oh my God, it does the lashes so good. I have short lashes, but my God, it makes them look so nice. And it coats them so quickly. Next, I'm going to take the Persona black liner and just line my waterline. I'm actually going to give her a little sharpen. While that's drying, I'm going to go in with No Joke, and I'm going to add it to the lower lash line. I'm going to coat my lower lashes in this Buxom mascara. For lashes today, I'm going to apply the Extension Seeker 661 from Salon Perfect. These can be found at Walmart. All right, we have our eyes done. So now, lastly, we have the lips. I have the hiccups now as well, so sorry. They're going to be annoying. Have a bunch of the new lipsticks that are nudes from Larlees. Hiccup. And I'm going to try Fawn. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to try Wedding Day. I swatched it. It's like a really pretty pale pink, which you know I love. I don't want to go too crazy with the lips because the eyes are kind of like a moment, like a little soft yellow moment. So I don't want to like match. It appears I lost my Sweet Tea lip liner from Morphe. So I'm just going to have to use my MAC Strip Down. All right, so I'm going to put Wedding Day in the center. This is such a pretty color. Oh, I love this color. The smell of them kind of remind me of MAC. Oh, I think it looks so pretty. Lastly, we have the Luxe lip glosses from ColourPop. And I'm going to try, this one looks so pretty to me. Oh my God, I can't get it out. This is Just Cuddle. I think it will look great with the lip color I have on. Oh, honey, I didn't know they were this thick. Oh. They're interesting. They're not like a gloss. They're just like super interesting. It's like a liquid lipstick and a lip gloss had a baby, and we have little Luxe here. Okay, guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think it turned out really pretty. I liked both Morphe palettes a lot. I do find with the pastel one, you just have to build up the color a little bit, but oftentimes with pastels, that's the case. Oh, I wish these hiccups would go away. The foundation seriously looks flawless. I really like the way it looks on my skin. The setting spray from Urban Decay. The white dots was weird. I feel like it would leave speckles on my face. I did blend them out, and I really don't see a problem with it. It is just a little matte for me, but if you had like a dance competition or something you just need to remain matte your wedding day, like honestly, it could be a good go-to. But for me on the regular, I'm a little more of a dewy girl, so that would be a little bit strong just for my personal preference. The concealer was hot fire. I will be using it again for sure. Lipstick was great, blush great, and yeah. Oh, and I like the mascara. So I liked a lot of things. Thank you guys for being here and watching. I love you guys to death. Subscribe to my channel before you leave for more content like this. And I will catch you all in my next video. Bye, guys. And I think my hiccups went away. Like, I think they're gone.